concept car is the purest form of automotive imagination, a rolling idea that exists to show what designers and engineers dream about when they are not limited by production costs, regulations, or market expectations. And it represents a bridge between today's technology and tomorrow's possibilities, blending art, science, and emotion into a single moving sculpture that hints at the future of mobility. Unlike production cars, which must satisfy strict safety rules, emissions laws, and mass-market practicality, a concept car is free to explore radical shapes, experimental materials, and bold technologies that may seem unrealistic today, but often become normal years later. From the moment a concept car is revealed under bright show lights at an international auto show, it captures attention not just as a vehicle, but as a statement, telling the world where a brand is headed and what it believes driving will mean in the future. Designers use flowing lines, exaggerated proportions, and dramatic lighting elements to create a visual impact that feels almost futuristic, sometimes inspired by nature, architecture, aerospace engineering, or even science fiction, while interiors often feel more like a lounge, cockpit, or digital living space than a traditional car cabin. Advanced digital dashboards replace physical buttons, steering wheels may transform or disappear entirely, and artificial intelligence systems are imagined as personal companions that learn the driver's habits, emotions, and preferences to create a more intuitive and personalized driving experience. Materials play a huge role in concept cars, with designers experimenting with carbon fiber, recycled plastics, bio-based fabrics, transparent aluminum, and smart surfaces that can change color, texture, or display information depending on conditions. All of which reflect a growing focus on sustainability and environmental responsibility. Powertrain concepts often push boundaries even further, showcasing fully electric platforms with solid-state batteries, ultra-fast charging, extended range, and wireless energy transfer or hydrogen fuel cell systems that emit only water while promising long range and quick refueling. While some concepts imagine hybrid systems that combine electric motors with synthetic fuels to keep performance alive without harming the planet. Autonomous driving technology is another core theme, with concept cars exploring different levels of self-driving capability, from advanced driver assistance to fully autonomous mobility pods, where occupants can relax, work, or socialize while the car handles navigation, traffic, and safety. Raising questions about the future role of human drivers and the emotional connection between people and cars. Connectivity is deeply integrated, as concept cars are often designed to communicate with smart cities, infrastructure, and other vehicles, sharing data in real time to reduce congestion, improve safety, and optimize energy use. Turning the car into a node within a larger digital ecosystem rather than a standalone machine. Aerodynamics in concept cars go beyond simple efficiency, using active elements like adaptive wings, air channels, and shape-shifting body panels that respond to speed, weather, and driving style, demonstrating how future vehicles might balance performance and efficiency dynamically. Lighting technology becomes a storytelling tool, with ultra-thin LED, OLED, or laser lights forming signatures that identify the car instantly, communicate intentions to pedestrians, and even project information onto the road, blending design with functionality in ways traditional headlights never could. The emotional side of concept cars is just as important as the technical one, because these vehicles are meant to spark desire, curiosity, and inspiration, reminding people that cars can still be exciting in an era of automation and electrification. And that innovation does not have to come at the cost of beauty or passion. Historically, many features we now take for granted first appeared in concept cars, such as touchscreen infotainment systems, advanced safety technologies, aerodynamic body styles, and hybrid powertrains, proving that these experimental vehicles are not just fantasies but laboratories on wheels that influence real production models over time. Automakers also use concept cars to test public reaction, gathering feedback from enthusiasts, media, and potential customers to refine ideas and decide which elements are worth developing further, making the concept car a conversation between the brand and the world. Even when a concept never reaches production, its design language, technological ideas, or philosophical approach often live on in future vehicles, shaping a brand's identity for years. In a broader cultural sense, concept cars reflect the hopes, fears, and priorities of the era in which they are created, whether that means a focus on speed and power during times of optimism, or sustainability and efficiency during periods of environmental awareness, making them historical artifacts as much as futuristic visions. As the automotive industry undergoes one of the biggest transformations in its history, driven by electrification, digitalization, and changing attitudes toward ownership and mobility, concept cars have become even more important as tools for exploration and storytelling. Helping people imagine a future where cars are cleaner, smarter, safer, and more connected, yet still capable of delivering joy and freedom. Ultimately, a concept car is not just about predicting the future, but about inspiring it, challenging engineers to turn bold ideas into reality, and reminding drivers that the automobile is more than transportation. It is a symbol of human creativity, progress, and the endless desire to move forward,